Hey Gamer fam, want the real scoop on PlayStation 6? Rumors have Sony's delaying all the way to 2029. Is that real or is it just the internet noise? Well, let's dive in, unpack the leaks and find out what you should do. Spoiler, this one's kind of a roller coaster. Now, some insiders say that PlayStation 6 won't hit the shelves until the late 2029, with dev kits hitting the game studio in spring 2026. Well, that's a pretty long gap, and it doesn't match Sony's usual pattern of about 6 to 7 years of console cycle. But hey, Mark did hint at a multi-year development, and this could extend the PS5 life cycle maybe. So, I'm still not convinced if Sony has a fully baked PS6 hardware, they would want it out sooner, right? Now, talking about a leaker Kepler L2, they claim that PS6 SoC design is locked and taped out. Basically, the final hardware blueprint rolls out this year. History shows that Sony usually launches about 2 years after the tape out. That suggests a 2027 release. That lines up with several analysts and Twitter insiders. So the 2027 theory has some solid backing. Now there's also chatter about a new PlayStation handheld launching too, maybe around 2028. Specs could be lighter. Imagine an offshoot of the PS5 with around 28 to 32 GPU units, still powerful enough for serious gaming on the go. Think of it as Sony doing both a beefy home console and a sleek handheld version. Now you wanna know what's under the hood? While talking about the GPU, it's gonna be AMD's next-gen UDNA architecture, formerly RDNA 5, rumored to be 20% faster in raster and double the ray tracing power compared to the PS5 Pro. Talking about the CPU, it's coming from Zen 2 to Zen 6, more cores, bigger cache and dual memory controllers. Supercharged performance for massive open worlds. And the outputs? Well, rumors talk HDMI 2.2 support, unlocking 4K at 240Hz or even a pseudo 8K at 60Hz with AI upscaling. Console meets high-end PC vibes finally. So when exactly is PlayStation 6 launching? Is it 2027 or is it 2029? Well, if you want to go with 2027, then tape out timing checks out. Sony's usual timeline fits. Leakers mostly agree on the post-2026 window. And if we were to believe that it's actually going to launch in 2029, then it's only because a dev insider suggested that it's going to be a 2029 release, that to a late 2029, probably around winter. The next thing is that Sony might squeeze a bit more of lifespan out of PS5 and Pro before they actually take the decision of launching PS6. And also if FSR 4 AI upscaling hits big, then they may hold off the PS6 launch. Now what does this exactly mean for you? If it's a 2027 release, then get ready for super smooth 4K 120fps ray tracing, fast load times, HDMI 2.2 plus full backward compatibility. But if it's a delayed 2029 launch, then the PS5 Pro continues dominating. Time to max out the current gen before jumping the ship. But hey, let's get real. Full transparency, I am leaning towards a 2027 home console plus a 2028 handheld rollout. But the tech industry crunch time and leaks make the 2029 rumor not impossible. Bottom line is Sony might wait if they are squeezing out every bit of PS5 potential. So what exactly do you want to see from PlayStation 6? Ultra ray tracing, 8K super smooth frame rates, or best in class gameplay on a pocket size handheld? Well, drop your dream features in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next tech breakdown. Well, thanks for hanging out and stay awesome. Happy gaming, अपना game चलाए रहो और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Take care.